Okay. Can't tell. It's really steep. I'm in good shape, but you gotta rest too. This is back to more part of the cliffs, another sheer face part of it. We're running along the edge. My guess is we gotta get up there somewhere here, but there's no blazes, so I gotta cross these wet rocks and go up there. I think it looks like it's part of the trail, so I'll let you know when I get there. Bye. Okay. It looks like we crossed okay, but I have a beef to pick with the AMC. Or maybe I just don't know. Now it's a yellow blaze. Then there's a blue blaze. I don't get it. Blue for no air, turning blue. Yellow for you chicken, you yellow belly. Well, I'm neither, so I'm heading on. Alright, I'll leave it on for a second here. Get up over this ledge. I gotta switch hands. Put my stick on this side. It's a pretty steep drop off here, so I don't want to slip. All in all, with all the rain and stuff, it's not too slippery if you stay off the leaves. Anyways, okay, there's more yellow blazes, so alright, bye. Okay, there they are. More blue blazes. We're getting hungry. My intent is to eat on the top of the cliff. So far it's not raining, but my back is dripping wet. In case anyone cares, from the backpack. I had to take the raincoat off, that was too hot. Pretty soon I'll take my shirt off. Hey, the cool part about this is there's no bugs, which is nice, so. And look at this, I noticed. I picked up this wet stick to walk with. Look how hot my hand is. It's drying the whole top of the stick. So, anyways, that's my shoe. That's me. Alright, bye. Okay, still climbing. Starting to level off a little bit. May have to take a break before I get to the top because I'm getting sloppy. I smashed my darn shin. And I am saying that instead of swearing because you're going to watch it, Gray Storm, but it freaking hurt. Alright. I look like a creepy face. I know lots of creepy faces, one in particular. Alright. I'm okay now, I guess. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna get up there. I haven't heard any more thunder, so my guess is it was trucks below, so. Who's this? JFCT, 1979. Wonder if they're still alive. Who are some of these people? I don't know anybody. JM and JC. Jesus Christ, look at you. Oh, what's this one? Paula and Glenn. Glenn? I have an Uncle Glenn, and I know he did the whole Appalachian Trail. Paula would be, my aunt's sister. Let's hope that's not true. So, okay. Well, it might be. Who knows? Crazy world. Alright, I'm gonna move on. Ooh, that's a cool rock. Remember that sign a long time ago that said 0.6 miles to Frankenstein Cliffs? I think that must have been to the trestle. Because, well, I don't know, it's hard to tell anyway, so look at that rock. Split open. It's hard to tell because, I don't know, it's not like a normal pace walk, so 0.6 miles weaving in and out, that might be okay, so. Okay. Let's see. another view of the trail here. Uh-oh. Looks like we had a tree derailment. Now I gotta go around it. Okay. I have an 8 gig thing on my phone here, so every time I save one, it's like 5 meg, 6 meg. So hopefully I don't fill my card up before I get to the falls. So I'll probably stop right now and do some more later. So I'm kind of flat right now. This is like a game of hide and go seek with these guys. They're trail markers. Look at this. I came from down there. The trail goes up this way. Look at this. On the other side of the tree. Trail pointing that way. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, brother. Alright, well, let's go. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if that means it goes up that way. I don't think so. I'm gonna go this way. Bye. Haha. Wrong again. Trail did go up. I found a blazer. Okay. Oh, my crotch. Jesus, this is huge. Okay. I don't know. I gotta be near the top. Who the frick knows? I can tell you though, it's a pretty steep trail as we go up, but it's a commercial for Bowflex tread climber. 40 minutes on that, and I'm more winded than I am going up this cliff trail. Well, of course I can stop and rest here. Can't on that. Okay. Bye. These things are so cool when you have to cross them. These little streams. These must go down the face of that cliff from before, so I bet I'm pretty close to the top. So, alright, let's go. I'm hungry. Okay, it's been, I left at 10:24. It's 11:43, so whatever that is. Is that an hour? And I don't, oh shit. Thank goodness for waterproof hiking boots. So, okay. But I also have a spare in my pocket, in my backpack, because I overpack everything. Because if I get stuck out here, I will be warm, because I can start a fire, and I have dry tinder, and lots of other goodies to set up a mini shelter. Not prepared for winter, but definitely for now, 30, 40 degrees. If it got that low. Well, it got to 49 the other night at the campground, so